The GuteWetter factory is the only enterprise in the Russian Federation that owns a unique production of shower enclosures of European quality standards. The range of products is more than 2,500 items. The company has a unique system of the production chain, which allows to produce both standardized and customized products in a very short time. The undoubted advantage is the high-quality, in-house designed accessories, which allowed us to increase the warranty life to 5 years. Modern technologies and materials are used in the development, such as anodizing aluminum parts and profiles, coating glass with ceramic paint, processing glass with a protective anti-line layer. It is also possible to use a laminated triplex glass. All this makes it possible to achieve a long service life of shower enclosures of at least 20 years. So, how is a new product created? First, the designer comes up with a new model of shower enclosure. The constructor brings the designer's idea to life, creating a complete set of documentation for the new product. The factory's technologists also participate in and control this process. Technicians and assemblers prepare a new product, which is then sent to the dealer network and delivered to the end consumer. The company is growing rapidly. The range of manufactured products and production volumes are increasing. The factory annually takes part in major international trade shows. The company's main competitors are German and Swiss manufacturers of shower enclosures. Company's products have earned numerous quality certifications from Rostest, the Russian certification agency, and ISO. The main strengths of the factory are impeccable quality, 5-year warranty for all products as standard, maintenance services and supply of accessories, guaranteed spare parts supply of at least 20 years, affordable prices. There are low-end, mid-range, and premium products. The ability to deliver made-to-order products in a short time. The GuteWetter factory has a widespread dealer network that covers most of Russia.